Welcome, today in front of me Oukitel OKT1 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's just first open the notification panel, and here, for example, if you want to add some icons or remove some of these icons or just to change their positions, we should click here on this edit icon. Then just here you will see on this down section icons which we can add. For example, let's add the location one, so hold for a while the icon and drag it here to this up section. By this way we can add here more icons. As you can see, that's so simple to do. If you want to remove, for example, some icons, by the same way just hold the icon and drag it here to that down section. The same just situation, if you want to change the icons positions, just hold and drag it by this way. To save the changes, just click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.